Hi friends, welcome to the next session of second chapter polynomials. So today let's see exercise 2.5. First one, use suitable identities to find the following products. First we got to use the identities and they have asked us to solve the sums. So let's see the first sum. 4x x plus 4 into x plus 10. See here we have x and the other two variables are different. So we have a numeral 10 here and we have numeral 4 and 10 we have. So one is x and x. So we know that x plus a into x plus b is equals to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. So the given sum is in this format. No, just check for the LHS. X plus a, instead of a we have 4, x plus b, instead of b we have 10. So in this format, so we can, this is the suitable identity where we can just apply and solve. So x plus 4 into x plus 10 is equals to x squared plus a plus b. So instead of a plus b you have 4 plus 10 into x plus ab. So plus 4 into 10. So that is equals to x squared plus 4 plus 10, 14x plus 4 into 10, 40. So we have used the identity and simplified. Let's check for the second one. X plus 8 into x minus 10. So see here we have the identity for x plus a into x plus b. So here the given value is with the negative sign. B is nothing but minus 10. So we can apply the same identity x plus a into x plus b. So x plus a into x plus b. So instead of a we have 8 and instead of b we have minus 10. So when we apply the identity x squared plus a plus b. So a plus b means 8 minus 10 into x plus ab. So plus 8 into minus 10. Now just simplify that. X squared minus 2x minus 80. So this is the answer. And third subdivision, 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 5. So here also we are going to use the same identity because instead of x we have 3x, instead of a we have 4 and instead of b we have minus 5. So we'll use the same identity. So a squared, so 3x the whole squared plus a plus b. So instead of a we have 4, instead of b we have minus 5. So 4 plus minus 5 into x. So into x we have 3x plus ab. So a into minus 5. So they have simplified now. 9x squared minus, so 4 minus 5 will give you minus 1. Minus 1 into 3 it is minus 3x. 4 into minus 5 will give you minus 20. So minus 20. Therefore 9x squared minus 3x minus 20. Fourth subdivision, y squared plus 3 by 2, y squared minus 3 by 2. See, this is in the form of a minus b into a plus b or a plus b into a minus b, that is equals to a squared minus b squared. So y squared plus 3 by 2 into y squared minus 3 by 2, that is a squared minus b squared. Instead of a we have y squared here. So y squared the whole squared minus, instead of b we have 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 the whole squared. So y squared the whole squared is nothing but y power 4. 3 by 2 the whole square, 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4, so that is nothing but 9 by 4. So hence we use the identity and we have simplified. Let's check for the fifth one. 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. So this is also in the form of a minus b into a plus b, that is equals to a squared minus b squared. So a squared is 3 squared minus 2x the whole squared, that is equals to 9 minus 2 means 2 square is 4 and x into x is x squared. Therefore 9 minus 4 x squared will be the answer. Let's see the second one. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. So we should not multiply. So how to we are going to do solve the sum? We want to split those numbers and check which identity we'll be able to use, and we are going to solve now. Just check for the first sum. 103 into 107. 103 into 107. 103 can be rewritten as 100 plus 3, right? It can be rewritten as 100 plus 3. Same way 107 can be rewritten as 100 plus 7. So we have divided as 100 plus 3 and 100 plus 7. Or even you can just rewrite in the other manner also. So 110 minus 7, 110 minus 3. In that way also you can write. Why we are taking 100 plus means it is easier for us for a calculation. So we have rewritten in the form of 100 plus 3 into 100 plus 7. Now check, this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b, no? See, x plus a into x plus b, that will be equal to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. Now substitute the values. 100 squared plus a plus b, 7 plus 3 into x, that is 100, plus ab, so 7 into 3. Simplify. 100 square is nothing but 1000 plus, 10,000 plus 7 plus 3, 10. So 10 into 10, 1000, 7 3s are 21. So here when we sum up that, so that is equals to 11021. 11021. So we have used the identity and we have simplified. Now let's check for the second one. 95 into 96. In the same manner, so the sum I have rewritten as 90 plus 5, 90 plus 6. Or the other way how we can write is 100 minus 5, 100 minus 4. Even we can write in that manner and simplify this sum. So here we have written in the 90 plus 5 into 90 plus 6. So is this in the form of x plus a into x plus b, that is equals to x squared plus a plus b into x plus ab. So 90 squared plus 5 plus 6 into 90 plus 5 into 6. So 90 squared is 8100. So 5 plus 6. So 5 plus 6 will give 11. So 11 into 9. 11 9s are 99. 990. Then plus 5 6s are 30. Then sum up we have 9120. 9120. Same manner. Third one. 104 into 96. 104 into 96. 100 can be rewritten as 100 plus 4. 96 can be rewritten as 100 minus 4. See, this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So a plus b into a minus b is what? A squared minus b squared. So 100 squared minus 4 squared. So 100 squared 1, then 4 zeros minus 4 fours are 16. When we subtract, 9984. 9984 is the answer. And we have completed the second one. Let's check for the third one. Factorize the following using appropriate identities. So first sum, 9x squared plus 6xy plus y squared. See, this 9 we have the square, so 3 3s are 9. So this 9x squared can be rewritten in the form of 3x the whole square, no? So 3x the whole square, it can be rewritten. Same way here we have the second one. The identity form will be in the form of 2ab. So this is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. When we convert in this format, this 9x squared can be rewritten as 3x the whole squared plus identity is 2. So 2 into a we got already value, it is 3x, into b it is y plus y squared. Check, this is in the form of a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, no? Now what is the LHS here? So the RHS here, a plus b the whole squared. So that is a value is 3x plus y the whole squared. So 3x plus y the whole squared. This can be, we can just split and write. This can be rewritten as 3x plus y into 3x plus y. Second subdivision, 4y squared minus 4y plus 1. See, 4y, this can be rewritten in the form of 2y the whole square. 2 2s are 4. So 2y the whole squared minus 2ab. So 2 into 2y into 1. So plus b squared, that is 1 squared. So this is in the form of a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, that is nothing but a minus b the whole squared, where a value is 2y minus b 1. So 2y minus 1 the whole squared, that can be rewritten as 2y minus 1 into 2y minus 1. And the last third subdivision, x squared minus y squared by 100. So when we have 100, can we write 100 as 10 squared? Yes, we can write 100 as 10 squared. So this number can be rewritten as x squared minus y by 10 the whole squared. This is in the form of a squared minus b squared, where it can be rewritten as x minus y by 10 into x plus y by 10. So thus we have completed up to the third sum.